Broadcasting lies to the message on the TV screen. With the accomplice of the kindness of stupidity. Reiterate America has got no hope. With its realistic studies dragging down the goal. Bring back its television, government supervision. Media was bought out and now makes the wrong decisions. Taxpaying dollars funds our destruction to the corporate media's corruption. Broadcast, they are high. Broadcast.
Not every day you get to go to a show at Epcot. Let's go. Getting herded like sheep to go see a show. At least it has a view though.
Oh, guess what? It could not be more true though. It's called Getting Old Sucks. But everybody's doing it. I don't think we're up for that. Get to bed by 9 p.m. We used to have fun in the streets, now we complain. We contract too fast and the music is insane. Right now, memories are fading away. Looking back, it was all worth it. The truth is getting old sucks, but everybody's doing it. What the heck is TikTok? Dog checkers, bingos, dominoes. We used to have fun in the streets, now we complain. The cars drive too fast and the music is insanely loud. Tattoos are fading away. Looking back, it was all worth it. The truth is getting old sucks, but everybody's doing it. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of your feet hurt. And I know a lot of you, the days of wearing really cool shoes are over. I used to wear Vans and Macbeths. These are Hocus.
Still feels weird leaving here after a show, but Bowling for Soup was awesome tonight, guys. If you get the chance to see one of the Epcot shows, like the Eat the Beat series, like they do during Food and Wine, it's a super good time. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random shows I might film for you. Check out the ones I still have on the channel. We got AFI, we got NoFX's final shows, and several other awesome ones. See you guys in the circle pit. Oh wait, they didn't have a circle pit there tonight.
First Amendment politicians violate the Constitution. Freedom of expression is no longer a right. Now we stand